The job description of an expeditor involves coordinating, facilitating, and ensuring the timely and efficient flow of materials, goods, or orders within supply chains, production facilities, or commercial kitchens. Whether operating in manufacturing, construction, shipping, or hospitality sectors, expeditors act as the link between various departments to minimize delays and improve productivity. They are logistical problem solvers who monitor schedules, manage communication between stakeholders, and respond to unforeseen disruptions that might affect workflow or delivery times. Expeditors are essential in environments where timing, accuracy, and coordination are critical. In manufacturing and industrial contexts, they monitor the procurement and movement of components to ensure that production lines continue without interruption. In construction, they may track the arrival of materials and equipment to prevent delays. In the culinary world, particularly in busy restaurants, expeditors manage the flow of orders between the kitchen and service staff, ensuring that food is delivered correctly and promptly to guests. Across all these sectors, the expeditor's role enhances operational efficiency by keeping every step of a process tightly aligned with scheduled expectations. While the specific responsibilities of an expeditor depend on the industry, the overall goal remains the same: to prevent bottlenecks, track the status of goods or processes, and facilitate communication among departments. The role often requires strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to make fast, effective decisions. Expeditors are also expected to maintain thorough documentation of progress, delays, and any actions taken to resolve logistical issues. Key responsibilities of an expeditor. One of the primary duties of an expeditor is to monitor the progress of tasks or orders against scheduled timelines. In manufacturing, for instance, this involves tracking the delivery of raw materials, components, or parts needed for assembly. If a shipment is delayed or a vendor encounters problems, the expeditor must follow up, find alternatives if necessary, and communicate the revised status to relevant teams. In a restaurant, the expeditor checks that dishes leaving the kitchen match order tickets are complete and meet quality standards before they reach the server. Expeditors serve as a communication bridge. In fast-paced work environments, they relay information between buyers, vendors, production teams, warehouse managers, or front-of-house staff. They are often the ones coordinating when things go wrong, whether a part is on back order, a shipment is stuck at customs, or a rush order comes in at the last minute. Their job is to assess the situation quickly and implement solutions to keep operations on track. In many organizations, expeditors are responsible for maintaining records and reports. These may include logs of shipment dates, delivery confirmations, pending materials, or production status. They use enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, or spreadsheets to document updates and generate summaries for supervisors and project managers. This documentation is vital for future audits, planning, and identifying recurring bottlenecks. Expeditors may also engage in inventory management. While not always directly in charge of stock, they often work alongside warehouse or inventory staff to confirm that materials on hand are sufficient for current and upcoming needs. If discrepancies are found, the expeditor may report them, initiate reorders, or adjust priorities accordingly. Time management is at the core of an expeditor's role. Many industries operate under tight deadlines, and even minor delays can have a ripple effect. For this reason, expeditors monitor progress in real time and anticipate issues before they escalate. When necessary, they escalate problems to higher authorities and recommend corrective actions. This can involve rerouting shipments, prioritizing tasks differently, or contacting alternate vendors or service providers. Some expeditors work directly with vendors or suppliers. They may place orders, track deliveries, and ensure that what arrives matches specifications. This also includes inspecting deliveries to verify quantities and conditions. In a culinary context, this might involve making sure each plate leaving the kitchen is complete and accurate. While in a warehouse, it may involve checking that all received goods match the purchase order and quality expectations. As we reach the middle of this analysis, it becomes evident that the job description of an expeditor is not simply about monitoring. It's about taking ownership of flow, timing, and coordination to keep operations functioning seamlessly. Their vigilance and responsiveness enable teams to focus on their core responsibilities without worrying about delays or miscommunication. Essential skills and qualities. To succeed as an expeditor, certain skills and personal traits are essential. First among them is communication. Expeditors must clearly and effectively interact with a wide range of stakeholders, including vendors, logistics personnel, engineers, chefs, or managers. The ability to convey instructions and updates concisely and diplomatically can prevent confusion and conflict. Organization is another cornerstone. Expeditors often juggle multiple deadlines, orders, or projects simultaneously. Without strong organizational practices, like maintaining accurate records, setting reminders, or prioritizing workloads, errors and delays can quickly spiral out of control. Problem-solving skills are crucial. Expeditors frequently encounter unexpected disruptions. A shipment might be delayed due to weather, a vendor might miss a deadline, or a part might be out of stock. Quick thinking, resourcefulness, and calm decision-making are necessary to minimize the impact of such issues. Time awareness and punctuality are defining traits of effective expeditors. Being alert to deadlines and proactive in taking action helps avoid costly downtime or missed opportunities. A skilled expeditor often anticipates delays before they happen and addresses them preemptively. Technical proficiency is becoming increasingly important. Expeditors often use software tools such as inventory management systems, supply chain platforms, point-of-sale (POS) systems in restaurants, or project management software in construction. Familiarity with these tools enhances accuracy and enables faster tracking of goods or tasks. Attention to detail is vital, especially when dealing with product specifications, shipping documentation, or food presentation. Small oversights in orders, labels, or instructions can have big consequences, ranging from production halts to customer complaints. Lastly, reliability and integrity are key. Expeditors are often trusted with critical communication and decision-making responsibilities. Their credibility and trustworthiness directly affect the performance and reputation of the team or business they support. Work environment and challenges. The working conditions of an expeditor vary by industry but tend to be fast-paced and high-pressure. In manufacturing and logistics, they may work in factories, warehouses, or shipping docks. In hospitality, they're based in the kitchen or service area of a restaurant, often standing for long periods and managing a constant stream of orders. Construction expeditors may work in offices or visit sites to monitor material deliveries. Expeditors often face stressful situations, such as dealing with missing items, back orders, or last-minute changes to plans. They must remain calm and efficient in the face of pressure. Collaboration with multiple teams, meeting tight deadlines, and multitasking are all routine elements of the role. Despite the challenges, many expeditors find the work rewarding because they directly impact efficiency and success. Whether it's keeping a production line moving, ensuring a meal is served fresh, or helping complete a building on schedule, their contributions are tangible and appreciated. Training and education requirements vary. Many employers seek candidates with a high school diploma or equivalent, though post-secondary education in logistics, supply chain management, hospitality, or project coordination can enhance job prospects. Experience in fast-paced environments or relevant sectors is often valued over formal education. Certifications in logistics, inventory control, or project management may also be beneficial, depending on the industry. Employers may offer on-the-job training to familiarize new expeditors with internal systems, terminology, and expectations. Looking back on the scope of this profession, it is clear that the job description of an expeditor is dynamic and cross-functional. These professionals provide the connective tissue between moving parts of an organization, ensuring that plans materialize as intended and that operations stay on schedule. Conclusion. The job description of an expeditor highlights a role built on coordination, precision, and responsiveness. Whether in manufacturing, logistics, construction, or food service, expeditors ensure that things happen when they are supposed to, no sooner, no later. They are the pulse keepers of operational flow, balancing planning with action and information with execution. For individuals who thrive in high-paced environments, enjoy solving problems, and have a natural talent for communication and time management, becoming an expeditor offers a fulfilling and impactful career. Their contributions may go unnoticed when things run smoothly, but they are indispensable whenever the unexpected arises, and that's often the true mark of their importance.